How to update Roblox on PC or laptop. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can update the Roblox app on either your PC, laptop, Windows or Mac. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If you've been trying to update the Roblox application on your PC or laptop, it's fairly simple. Now, first of all, depending upon how you downloaded Roblox, now usually on Windows, you download it through the Microsoft Store. So you can go to your Microsoft Store, check for the Roblox app and check if it has any sort of update available, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version from there. Now on macOS, however, we don't have it in our App Store, right? And we happen to download it from the website. But normally whenever you open the Roblox app on your macOS or your Windows also, it will normally automatically check for the updates during the startup process. So on the startup process itself, it might say that there is an update available and you just have to click on it. But other than that, it doesn't really require an update because it will just auto update itself. If you still have doubt, you can just download the latest exe file for Windows or DMG file for macOS and just download it from their website by going to roblox.com download, and from there you'll be able to install the latest version again. But to give you an idea, hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.